Hi there everyone. Today this driving lesson is designed to help beginners and even experienced drivers, helping them to know and practice the proper way of steering your car, especially if you're gonna be doing let's say a driving test in Canada or the US. It's hand over hand steering that they expect to see when you go for your driving test. If you're holding the wheel in here or like this, or palming the wheel like you're doing like this, no, you don't get your license doing that. Okay, so we need to see the 9 and 3. Let me straighten the wheel here. I have numbers on there so you can know when the wheel is straight. 9 as in the clock, and 3, 12 and 6. So make sure, if you don't want to use numbers, make sure that your steering wheel is straight. Okay, because everything happens from a straightened position. Now I'm gonna do the hand over hand steering practice, just so you know. By the way, in the 70s, a cool thing came out where there was like a ball that you could attach to the steering wheel, and then all you had to do was like this. And it used to be cool, but at that time I was not a driving instructor, so obviously it looked cool. I did not buy one, but I remember going to see this young lady, and she took me out, and this is what I saw. I'm in the passenger seat, and she looks so cool, right? But just looking back now, if something happened and she steered the wrong direction, like instead of going right she went left, she could oversteer, because nothing is accurate when you're just doing like this. All right, so anyway, the proper way is to hold the wheel like this and you steer hand over hand. So I'm gonna get going. I'm gonna put it in drive, and we're gonna do hand over hand. So right now the car is going straight, and this is hand over hand steering.